The following is an urgent warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in San Francisco has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Pigeon Point to Point Pinos, California out to 10 nautical miles, waters from Pigeon Point to Point Pinos 10 to 60 nautical miles until 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 12 nautical miles southwest of Point Nuevo, moving north at 35 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Point Nuevo. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Seek safe shelter. Mariners can expect gusty winds and increasing waves. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.